Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Need a Magic show. So in this video I'm going to create a Chuck Norris joke chatbot AI function. You see here I have this API that tells Chuck Norris jokes. Now with the latest additions to our AI chatbots, and something I actually released recently today, I haven't updated all your cloudlets, so if you want access to this early, then you have to ping me with an email or something like that. However, now I have the ability to add an HTTP GET invocation AI function. And I'm going to call this one, tell me a frank joke, right? Tells a frank joke. If the user asks you to perform an action associated with this function invocation, inform the user what you are about to do. Do not, but instead return the following. And then I want to simply remove these guys. So the HTTP GET action invocation can optionally take both query parameters, and it can also take references to configuration values, applying a JWT token or stuff like that. However, I'm going to create this with a twist, right? Exchange Chuck Norris with Ainero's frank and add some relevant emoticons before you return the response of the above invocation to the user. So now what I'm basically doing is that I have now created an AI function that invokes api.chucknorris.io. And then it exchanges Chuck Norris with Ainero's frank, hopefully, and then it will add some emoticons. In addition, I'm going to configure my Ainero training model here, and I'm going to add one conversation starter, tell me a frank joke, which actually is going to kick in on the RAG training snippet I created here now, obviously, which again is going to result in that the cloudlet invokes this API, exchanges Chuck Norris with Frank from Ainero, and then adds some emoticons. Let's see if I succeed that. Tell me a frank joke. Okay, so let's see what it produces. Sure thing, let me fetch a joke for you, just a moment. Success. Here's a joke for you. Frank can unit test entire applications with the single assert. Let's try. So this particular implementation is getting the dev category because I didn't want something that was like not safe for work or something. Frank compresses his file by doing a flying roundhouse kick to the hard drive. Tell me another. And you can just keep on having it tell your jokes. Frank doesn't need sudo. He types Frank before his commands. Frank doesn't have disk latency because the hard drive knows to hurry the hell up. For Frank, NP hard equals 01. Now, obviously, these are developer jokes. I mean, you probably won't even think they're funny unless you're a software developer. Frank's OSE network model has only one layer, physical. So anyways, that was literally it for today's video. I need to emphasize the reasons why I'm showing this is because we do have this AI function that allows you to invoke HTTP GET APIs. You can also add token key, which becomes a reference to a magic foo. Now, if I create a key inside of my configuration now, beneath magic. I can't show in my configuration because that would be a security threat, because it would show security stuff. But if I create now a foo key in my configuration, it will actually exchange, it will actually invoke the HTTP GET resource with a bearer token being the value of that token. I can also parameterize. I can't remember the exact syntax. I think it's like this. With query parameters, query 1, value 1, etc. And then, of course, these parts can be dynamically substituted according to whatever input the user provides, at which point you basically just got to prompt engineer the function a little bit to be able to actually correctly invoke it. So anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.